Are your curl styling habits secretly damaging your hair? If your curls look frizzy, thin, or lifeless, you might be making some big mistakes. But don't worry, I'll show you how to fix them for healthier, bouncier curls. Mistake 1. Using too much heat. Mistake 2. Curling wet hair. Mistake 3. Skipping heat protectant. Mistake 4. Using the wrong curling tool. Mistake 5. Not moisturizing curls. Follow these tips and your curls will be healthier, shinier, and bouncier. Which mistake were you making? Let me know in the comments.